this job. Doing a little timing belt on this. Just wanted to show you how the best way to get to it's always through the side wheel well. These are the timing components here. There's the belt. You have to make sure you get these lined up correctly or you will damage the engine and cost the customer lots and lots of money. It's not too hard to get to right there. This is a little bit more of a complicated job. Always want to take your time when doing timing belts. Make sure you got your marks all lined up and everything is correct. Salute everybody. This vehicle right here is a Honda Pilot 2015. All-wheel drive. Wasn't too hard to do. Basically, take everything off up here to the side, PCM controls, everything like that. Then you take the tire off, all the covers, side fender well covers, and then you have to take off the crankshaft pulley there, serpentine belt there, undo the timing cover, get up in there, and then take that off. But when you have that, you have to have a special tool to hold the camshafts in place so they don't move, and you have to have all your marks lined up. The marks are marked on the side housing there and on the pulley. Everything's keyed so it lines up correctly. So